If you're thinking about moving to North Idaho, but don't want the hustle and bustle of a bigger city like Coeur d'Alene, then this video is for you. Today we're counting down the top 5 small towns in North Idaho, places that offer incredible scenery, tight-knit communities, and some seriously underrated real estate opportunities. And make sure you stick around to the end, because my number 1 pick may surprise you. So let's jump right into it, shall we? What's up, guys? It's Bryan Ingham with Ingham Realty. Welcome to another episode of Enjoy Living in North Idaho, where I talk about and show you all of North Idaho. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Now, even though pretty much all of North Idaho's towns are small towns, today I'm talking about the really small towns that are kind of on their own. Not like Coeur d'Alene and the surrounding towns, because it's all kind of one big community. And even Sandpoint is kind of a little bit bigger community. Even though places like Coeur d'Alene and Sandpoint have beautiful historic downtowns, I'm focusing on the smaller communities today. Coming in at number 5, Bayview, Idaho. Bayview is between Coeur d'Alene and Sandpoint, about 30 minutes either direction. And it's located on one of the bays on Lake Pend Oreille, surrounded by majestic mountains. The population of this town is only about 700 people. What I like about this town is it has such a picturesque setting. It's up kind of on a hill, and so you kind of got views everywhere you go of this beautiful bay. And you got all these cool float homes on the lake. Now there's not much to the downtown. You got some restaurants and shops, but not a whole lot. So you kind of have to go elsewhere for most of your shopping. But to live in a quaint town with spectacular views, this is one of the best small towns in North Idaho. The median price for homes in this town is about $458,000. Coming in at number 4, we have St. Mary's, Idaho. This town is located about an hour south of the Coeur d'Alene area, and it's kind of isolated off on its own. St. Mary's sits where the St. Joe and St. Mary's rivers meet. And St. Joe is one of the feeder rivers for Lake Coeur d'Alene. So it's definitely a picturesque setting of this valley surrounded by mountains with these rivers running through them. The population of this town is only about 2,500 people. But this town does have a nice historic looking downtown with lots of shops and restaurants. And they also have a hospital in this town. And what's cool about St. Mary's is they do a lot of cool events here, like the Paul Bunyan Days. You got some different home types to choose from here. You could be on the river, you can have some acreage, or just be in a regular neighborhood. Median price for homes in St. Mary's is $380,000, which is pretty low for North Idaho. Coming in at number 3, we have Wallace, Idaho. This town is located about 45 minutes east of Coeur d'Alene area off of the 90 freeway. And this is the picture-perfect mountain town. So you're totally in the mountains here. It's pretty narrow mountains all around you. But it's definitely got the most historic charm and the best downtown. Pretty much the whole town is the downtown. The population here is only about 800 people. There used to be more people when this was a big-time mining town, but it's more of a tourist town now, but they are starting to do a little more mining recently. But this downtown certainly is very picturesque. You got all these old historic brick buildings, a lot of cool places. It's worth having a look if you've never visited Wallace. As far as living here, there's not a whole lot of amenities, so you'll have to go to other towns. They don't have things like healthcare or a lot of other amenities. But if you want a quiet small town where everyone knows your name, then Wallace is a good spot to hang out. They have events here like the Huckleberry Festival, and Wallace has been proclaimed the center of the universe. The median price here is only about $260,000, which is the lowest I've seen around. Probably because you're isolated in the mountains and you don't have a lot of amenities. Coming in at number 2, we have Bonners Ferry, Idaho. This town is located between Sandpoint and the Canadian border, so it's way up in the Panhandle. This town is located in the Kootenai River Valley with the Kootenai River flowing through it. So very picturesque place. You got all these mountains all surrounding you. You got all this nice lush green farmland. It's a really beautiful area, really nice setting for a small town. This is also a very conservative area. Of course, most of North Idaho is, but they call this area Trump country. And this town does have a nice historic looking, picturesque downtown area with all these old buildings and cool little shops, and got a lot going for it there. It also has a regular town strip as you go up the 95 with lots of shopping and restaurants and all that. And they even do have their own hospital here. So you're a lot more self-sufficient in this small town, even though you only have 2,500 people. The median price for homes here is around $500,000. It's a little higher because a lot of people have acreage properties here. They have farms and just room to spread out. So that's nice to have for a small town. I'm going to give you my top small North Idaho town in a minute. But first, if you guys are thinking about moving to North Idaho or one of these beautiful picturesque small towns, please give me a call, send me text or email. Love to answer any questions that you have. Been helping people buy and sell real estate for over 20 years now, and I just love to guide you. Coming in at number 1, Harrison, Idaho. This town is located about 45 minutes to an hour south of Coeur d'Alene, and the setting is just gorgeous. It is on Coeur d'Alene Lake, just on this little hill, this little bluff, just overlooking the lake. And you got views from everywhere of the lake. And you got access right there to the Coeur d'Alene River, which is another feeder river, which also has a bike trail that goes along it. So you got miles and miles of bike trails, and then just such a picturesque setting. It's not a huge town. You got tons of nature and wildlife and mountains and water, all that good stuff right there. This town only has a population of about 1,250 people. It was a logging town, just like most of these small towns I've described. But now this is mainly just a tourist town because of its picturesque setting. You have lake views even from the downtown, but there's not a whole lot there. You got some shops and some food places, and you got a park there. It's a beautiful setting, but for things like healthcare and other amenities, you're gonna have to go to another town. But if you want that small town life, if you want a little kind of resort small town, Harrison, Idaho is definitely the best small town that I've seen. The median price of homes around the downtown area is about $436,000. Now you can also get acreage properties all around. You can get waterfront properties. So there's our top 5, but I did want to give a quick honorable mention to Spirit Lake, which has a nice classic looking downtown, and it's got a nice lake setting. And also Clark Fork, Idaho, which is on the east end of the Pend Oreille Lake on the Clark Fork River. And it's just such a picturesque setting there with all the surrounding mountains and waters. But there's just so many great small towns in North Idaho, and I didn't want to bore you with all of them. So which small town do you like best? Let me know below in the comments. So next week, I'm going to give you the realities of living in these small towns. I'm going to give you the pros and cons to see if small town life is really for you. If you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. That way you'll be notified of all my new videos when they come out. Putting out new videos every week showcasing the whole area of North Idaho. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.